So next one along, Amy Rizzardo Ambrosic. We said that okay. They are a blended family parenting coach. They're struggling to figure out pink spoons and what to put into a starter kit. How convenient with all of the videos you've been releasing about it recently, all the work. They've thought about a mini course on parenting styles, so identifying yours, the strengths of each, and finding the middle ground. They're open to ideas for pink spoons and other things for the starter kit, like what's the minimum number of items for a starter kit, or can it just be a free mini course?
It could be a free mini course, but again, this is just my take on it is if okay, so let's just say there's your point of view covers all of this ground. Then they say, okay, so for the freebie, I'm going to give away this one thing. I think it's okay to just give away this one thing. What is becomes a challenge is if people start to think this is all you have and this is all that's needed. Yeah, because there's more to say about all of these issues. So I could say for my freebie, I could say, look, niching is a really important thing. And so that's my freebie is about niching. But I also got ethics, and there's niching, and there's point of view, then there's business model, and there's hubs. And if people don't get a sense of the overall view, then when I say, hey, sign up for my membership, no, no, it's okay. I got my niche, I'm working on it. I'll just because they don't even know there's anything else to handle. So I think one of the major purposes of the starter kit is to help them see their blind spots. Yeah, it's to help them see what they haven't seen before, to help them see the context they're missing. I'm just going to write that down. I've never thought about that before. Um, but yeah, that's one of the major reasons we do it, so that they sort of say, "Oh, there's a lot of things I need help with, and I like this person, I like their vibe, I like what they have to say." Now, so there's basically two ways that you could do this, and this is the same with the workshop, the starter, the signature talk, I guess. One is you can just do the 30,000 foot view where you don't really delve deep into anything, but you just give the whole buffet of what you've got. The other is you say, okay, there's this whole buffet, and you go over it very briefly, but today we're going to focus on this. And you spend most of your time on this. But regardless of which one you choose, I want to make sure that they get the overall sense of everything that you talk about in the starter kit or in the pink spoon. I think one of the challenges again that people have with their email opt-ins, their pink spoons, their free samples, is that it's content and it doesn't give context. It handles a very discrete, specific symptom that their clients have, but it doesn't help their clients understand why am I struggling on island A? How do I get to island B? What's all the stuff that I'm missing? Because there's certain stuff that they're aware of, there's certain stuff they're unaware of. And they're coming to us for what they're unaware of. And there's probably a lot they're unaware of. And so the more we can help them see that, the more relevant our work will be to them.
It seems like the answer is frustratingly as much as it takes.
Oh yeah, right. And in terms of what's the amount? I think that's fun. You could have an hour-long video. That's great. But the idea is that it's a generous helping that at the end of it, they really do understand your approach. And therefore if it's a fit for them. Whatever it takes to communicate that, my guess is at least an hour video to help them understand. But that could be written, that could be audio, any format. But it should be something that by the end of it, they say, wow, I'm seeing some things I didn't see before. I really understand this person's approach. And from there, they decide if it's a fit or it isn't.
Lovely. Okay, thank you.